Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Denise Joy. In today's video, I am sharing with you how I transformed my dining room for under 200 bucks. And I did it with paint. Gorgeous, bold, vibrant paint. You're going to get decorating ideas, inspiration, and motivation so you too can transform your dining room or any room in your home in one weekend or less. My dining room started out a lovely shade of green called Hematite by Behr, but I was tired of it and it was time for an upgrade. A great tip is if you have two different colors and you're not sure which one you want to pick, get a piece of cardboard, paint it on there, tape it on the wall, live with it for a while and see which one you love. Cover the floors, cover the carpets, any furniture that you're leaving in your space. What you don't want to do is get paint on something you really, really love. This product, the Crud Cutter, is so wonderful. It takes that gloss off the walls and makes sure that your paint will really stick. Let's speed things up. We don't have all day. To get those crisp lines, sometimes I will tape a line off, but if I don't want to, I'll use an actual painter's brush to get that crisp line, that crisp edge. Now for the real fun, the decor. I love to mix what I call legacy pieces, thrifted pieces, and new purchases. And that's what I did here in this dining room. Thanks so much for stopping by. I really appreciate you becoming part of the Thrifty Fly DIY tribe. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and remember to like the button, hit the notification bell, and please leave me a comment. Let me know what inspired you about this video, motivated you, and what kind of videos you want me to tackle next.